Hello and welcome to my channel, Beardy Vlogger. My name is Mick. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing for Royal Beardsmen. Now we're gonna try this new thing that I've been doing where we're gonna actually do a POV unboxing where you can see exactly what I get to see from my unboxing and first impressions. All right, guys, full transparency on this one. I kind of goofed a little bit because this is like my fourth unboxing that I'm recording today. I kind of split open the box before even recording that last bit earlier there. So then I realized like, oh my God, what are you doing? So I stopped. So this is still a true first impression. I did not really peek in. I was just like, oh my God, why did I cut that open? I'm so stupid. Anyways, here's the first impression. This is a new scent from Royal Beardsmen, so I'm super excited to share this experience with you guys. So what you get right out of box here is just a little card here. And it says, "We are honored to earn your business. Thank you from all of us here at Royal Beardsmen." And then on the back, it says, "Thank you, Miklos." And then, of course, you get a nice little Royal Beardsman sticker with their awesome logo. And then a Royal Beardsman card with their website information right there. So we got a bunch of these, like, I don't know, what are these called? Chiclets? Chiclets? Is that what they are? So I'm just going to take these out. We've got the beard oil, and look at that nice packaging that comes in. We're gonna read what's on here once I switch back to my beardy face. And then we've got the beard butter. All right, so let's just go over the packaging presentation again here one more time. So this is their new scent, Exile. It's been out for about a month or so, I believe, so it's not super new. The ingredients for this one is virgin argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, hemp seed oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, grapeseed oil, and premium essential oils. This is a 2-ounce bottle as usual, so you get quite a bit of oil for the price that you're paying. And can't wait to open this up for you guys. Now I do have a code. I don't remember what it is, but I'll put in the bottom here for you guys. If you're interested in trying out Royal Beardsmen, you might as well save a little bit on your first purchase. We're just gonna open up the box here, and then you've got your usual 2-ounce beautiful Royal Beardsman bottle. I actually don't even know what the scent profile of this one is. It says right here, though, spice citrus infused with natural and earthy cologne blends. And these guys are such good. I'm just going to talk about this a little bit while I take the plastic off. Royal Beardsmen, the thing that I like about them is they continue to surprise me with their like the way that they make scents. Like there's been one of the first times I tried them out, or I think it might have been the second time, I bought like a 10-pack of their samplers, and there's just like so many on there that I probably would not have purchased. But then I'm kind of glad that I bought the sample pack because I got to try out some scents that I normally otherwise would not have purchased, and then they all just ended up smelling great. So they just have a really great way of turning something that you think you might not like a citrus or something, or a coffee or whatever your thing is that like you don't like, and somehow just making it smell wonderful. So I'm excited to see what this is going to smell like. So there it is. It looks like a nice clear oil. We'll put a few drops in here, warm it up. Oh. My God, they always, this is exactly what I was talking about. They always, I'm not a citrus guy. I'm not a citrus guy, but this is somehow different. Definitely a cologne type scent, like they say. And yeah, it's a spicy citrus. It almost smells like there's the citrus is like cinnamon infused a little bit. And then there's just like this, oh, this just like wonderful cologne scent that comes out as like a secondary scent of that. I swear every single time I'm going back to sniff more, the scent just gets a little bit, it changes a little bit, gets a little bit more complex. I now feel like I'm maybe smelling like a little bit of lavender even. Like I don't know if that's from some stuff that I tried earlier, but oh, that is mixing so nicely together. I will let you guys know after using the product for a week of maybe I'll do another scent description on what, you know, sometimes when you use a product for quite some time, it's a little bit different than what your first impression was in terms of the scent. So I'm super excited to use this for a week and then re-describe this scent to you guys, because I think right now it might be actually mixing with some of the other unboxings that I did earlier today. So I just want to make sure that I do a fair scent description for you guys, and that's gonna come next week. And also probably maybe the next time I do some back-to-back unboxings, I'll be sure to like wash my hands in between and clear everything off. But this just smells so great. All right, let's get into the butter. I love their butters. I already know I'm gonna love this whipped butter. So this is a 4 ounce. This is a 4 ounce tin that this comes in. So here you guys go. Oh, it's gonna have a little safety lid on it, isn't it? Yeah, okay. Let's see if I can rip it off first try. Oh yeah, look at that. There's the goodness right there. No weight. Look how super easily this comes out. This is honestly one of my favorite butters, guys. It always does such a really good job at softening my beard. And like I said, these guys are, I'm just gonna call them mixologists. They do such a good job at blending their scents together. And I can't wait to try this for a week and tell you guys all about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing as I'm unboxing this. So you can see exactly what I'm seeing. So I kind of opened the box after recording that little. So I kind of hands are so oily. I don't know. I can't even open this. Jesus. There we go.